Hi guys, welcome to THR's channel, Cooking with Gio. So you are sober now. Time to take on ownership of what we are putting into our body, so actually cooking. So today we will be going over keto spaghetti. Keto is one of those things that's very popular right now. So we're gonna go over one of those recipes. So it'll be keto spaghetti with some ground pork and marinara sauce, keeping it lower on the carbs. So we're gonna get right into it. All right, so first thing that I'm doing, I'm chopping up my garlic and onions. This dish is gonna be for about 4 servings, so I'm gonna use about 4 garlic cloves. I like to use a clove per serving. So I'm just gonna chop it up real fine. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You're just chopping it up to get some flavor out of it, get the skins off. Same thing with the onion. I'm gonna use half of this onion. You can save it for later. Chop off the top, flip it over, chop down the middle, take the skin off. So that we're gonna cut some slices right down center there. So we just chop right down perpendicular. We're gonna turn on the heat over here. All right, so this is heating up. Go ahead and throw in our onion. Once you hear that sizzle, that's when you know that oil is perfect. Good temperature. Stir it around a little bit. Want to get it translucent, a little see-through. Even a little bit of color is good. More color, the better. Watch the heat. Pork goes in, putting it all in, yep. Just mixing this up with the onions. I'm trying to get it mixed up pretty good so that the meat is actually colder, so it turns down the heat a little bit, stopping the cooking process on our onions and garlic. You're gonna brown this up. You wanna cook this all the way through. You don't wanna eat pork raw. If you don't like pork, you can always use another meat. For this specific dish, because it's keto, pork has a lot of good fat, a lot of fat. So, red chili peppers. Not a lot, just a little bit. Salt, start off small, taste it at the end. You can always put salt in at the end too. A little bit of black pepper. Mix it up. Oh, it smells good. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be placing the marinara sauce in here. Again, you can always add, you can never take away. So the reason I'm doing this is so that the meat absorbs a little bit of the flavor from the tomato sauce. And vice versa, so the tomato sauce can absorb some of the meat juices and some of that flavor from the onion and the garlic. So we're gonna let that simmer for a little bit. Prep up our zucchini spirals, AKA spaghetti, keto spaghetti. And this stuff's pretty cool because it just takes 2 minutes to cook. So once this is done, you throw it in and that's it. That's what it looks like. Turn down the heat a little bit. You want to have it simmer. All right, so this is good. If you're not sure, you can always get a thermometer, put it in there, meat temperature. You want to have it about 165 so that we're good. I'm gonna turn this down just a little bit, make sure it doesn't turn off, okay? Putting in the spirals. Just gonna place that in there real nice. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold over the sauce onto here, so it helps speed up that cooking process a little bit. If you don't feel comfortable doing it this way, you can cook the zucchini, or like I have over there, carrot spirals, you can do it separate. Once it's done cooking, then you can throw it into your meat sauce. I have one pan right now, so this is why I'm doing it this way. All right, good to go. It's all cooked. Turn that off. There it is, guys. That is our keto spaghetti. Please comment, like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this or other videos that are related to this as well. Comment if you want to see something specific so that we can tailor to that. All right, so remember, guys, you're sober. We're taking ownership of what we're putting in our body. We respect ourselves and respect our health. Dishes like this and dishes to come are going to show that. Keto spaghetti. It's not like regular spaghetti, but it'll do in a pinch.